one for you today. Do you guys have parge coating that is cracked and crumbling and falling apart? If so, watch this video because in about 2 minutes we're going to show you how to completely rectify this issue and step by step how to do it and rectify it all on your own. First things first, you dig back all the soil so you can get some below grade. You can check the foundation below there. Next, you're going to take a brick hammer, you're going to tap, you're going to see whatever is hollow has got water and moisture behind it begin to pop. You want to get all of this off, this entire top coat of plaster, parge coating, you want to fully remove it. Any cracks beneath, you want to open up with the brick hammer or a grinder, and you want to open them and fill them and take care of those first. Then you want to continue addressing all of the parge coating. You can get in there with a nice brick hammer, or you can also use a flat tip screwdriver and it will literally pry right off. Next, you're going to carve up the foundation using a grinder and a masonry blade. Then you're going to hit it with Weldcrete. You're going to paint the Weldcrete on its entirety after thoroughly cleaning the foundation. You paint it on, then you're going to let it sit for 1 hour. You're going to mix up Type M masonry mortar, sand, water, and acrylic fortifier. And since this is so thick, you're going to put on one coat and then you're going to scratch it. Once you get all the way through, you're going to go back with this scratcher. You're going to rough it up. All this is going to do is help the second coat adhere to the first coat. Your second coat will be your finish coat. Make sure you hit absolutely everywhere and you scratch everywhere so it'll be easy to adhere to next. Now, next day you come back, you're going to wet the entirety of the foundation. You're going to tape Acryl 60. You're going to mix it to the water. You're going to have Type M masonry mortar. That's M as in Michael. Sand, water, and acrylic fortifier. You're going to mix thoroughly so it's a little bit wet. Why do you want it wet? Because you don't want it to break your wrist when you're putting it on. You want to give it some time to float it out and put a finish on it. Now, you put it on as flat as you can. Use a trowel to knock down all the humps, bumps, and lumps, and the sponge will knock down the rest of it. It's going to give it a bit of a rough look, but it's going to match the rest of the remaining foundation. You just want it to match. You want it to blend because eventually it's all going to be painted. It's going to be painted a white, and it's all going to blend and look the same and flow throughout, and it's going to look like a new foundation from where you're doing it on. Now, we sponge the entirety. You can do 2, 3, 4 times over with the sponge so that it looks perfectly clean and pristine and it flows and it all looks clean and good. And once you take a step back, it should all be